Hello, this is Salman Bilal, and I'm giving you a short tutorial on how to create a Slack app. Slack is a popular tool for encouraging better communication among team members. It comes with various features and services, including third party integration. That's what exactly we're going to do today. We're going to build an application that would help us to interact with the third party application by performing a certain task on the server. We just have to put that special command over here with a specific format, and all the rest working is going to do on the back end and through the application. To create the application, we first click on the company on the top left corner and then the app application integration. It takes us to the app directory where where all the applications developed by different users are being provided. You could download any application and use them in your Slack dashboard as well. But we have to build our own, so we'll just click on the build menu and start building. All right. Now we create an app. We provide the application name and the development team, and we create the app. All right. So, in order to create the application, we'd go through with three basic steps. Um, Let me show you all these three. Install your application, manage distribution, and add features and functionality. So, these three. To first, we go with the add features and functionalities. There are lots of features and functionalities that Slack offers, but as discussed previously, we're gonna go with the specific format through slash commands. So we're gonna check this one. Once we click on it, it asks us to create a new command. We click on the new command button, and all right. We give a specific format to our command, and I say it's let's be create task, and the URL. The URL is where when this specific format has been hit, when this task has been hit, it goes to a specific URL where the related task is performed. So I'm gonna put this URL over there and short description here. Um, a user head. Right. Also, one thing, the Slack of supposes the HTTPS, so let's just change HTTP to HTTPS. Now we save it. All right, cool. Let's go back to the basic information. As you see, the first point is being checked. Now let's move to the second one. Install your app to your team. So let's install it. Authorize. Okay. Now let's go to the manage distribution. Right. All right. Okay. So distribute the app. Okay, so we have to go through these points as well. Add auth redirect URLs. This is the URL that if we have to provide this application other than our team to some for publicly, like for some other team if they want to use our application also. So we'll just provide a URL where they would get the link to this application and they could install it in their Slack dashboard. So I'm just putting this one right now. Save URLs. All right, and remove hardcode. I've reviewed the core hardcode information. All right, activate public distribution. Once we're done with that, we'd be given this HTML. We just have to copy it to the URL that I mentioned earlier, where people from other teams and could download this application publicly. We just have to copy this HTML into the website, and when the user would click on the add to Slack, it would be automatically added to their Slack dashboard. Now, let's check these few check boxes. These are basically the features that our application provides. If we're up to it, then the Slack team would allow us to publicly distribute it, right? So we just have to check all these. All right. Yeah. Uh, we did not mention any basic information. Let's just fill that out first. Okay, let's just give this short description. This is the short description for Slack Apply. Let's select the logo. Right. The background color. Okay. And a long description. I'm just gonna copy this one. And YouTube video, it's optional. Add images, it's all optional. It's what you have to do to to further improvise your application. We have to select a category. For now, I'm just selecting communication, and it could be any. You could select any of it. And the landing page. The landing page is for the one that I mentioned previously. To download your application. So you just put this over here, and privacy policy. It could be something like privacy.aspx. No, or support. Could be like URT, and your support email. I'm just going to put mine. Contact information, phone number, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's save the changes. All right. Now, when we refresh it, these points that are missing, these warnings, they'd be gone. Let's check this out. All right. Okay, the first 2 points are done. You see, those warnings are not there anymore. Let's just check all these pound points. You have to make sure that all these features are available in your application that you're going to develop. So, all right, this is optional. We don't need it. Select team test account. All right, missing something else too. Done with everything. Yeah, that's right. Let's submit the app. Okay, this is the overview of our application. We just submit the app. Once this app is submitted, here you go. This app is submitted now. Now, what's going to happen is that the Slack team they would review our application, and once it's reviewed and they see all the features that were required for a basic Slack application, then they would make this application public, and then you could see your application and um, the app directory as well. All right, so that was it. So I hope this tutorial was quite informative for you, and thanks a lot.